Hello guys, I am Mohammad Hanzala. I hope you all are doing well, and today video is about the Asia. So let's get right into the video. Asia is a massive continent with a total size of 4 crore 45 lakh 79,000 kilometers square, and it's also the most populous continent in the world. Asia is actually the part of the supercontinent known as Eurasia, and the Asian and European continents are not technically separated. The Asian continent is home to 446 billion people, which account for more than 60% of the total human population on Earth. China and India are home to 26 billion people, and those are just two countries. 14 of the tallest mountains in the world can be found in Asia, and they are all over 8,000 meters above the sea. The highest mountain in the world is Mount Everest at 8,848 meters above the sea. In recent years, the world economy has shifted, and there are no more billionaires on the Asian continent than anywhere else in the world. China alone has more billionaires than the US, which continue to fall behind the rising Asian economies. This is definitely one of the most interesting facts about Asia, but it should also be noted that a large number of Asian people live in poverty. Some live on less than $1 per day. Rice is a staple food on the continent, and most of the produced rice is eaten here as well. Asians eat up to 90% of the total world production of rice. In many Asian countries, you can have rice for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Asia is bounded by the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Pacific Ocean to the east, the Indian Ocean to the south, the Red Sea to the southwest, and Europe to the west. Moreover, the highest point on earth, Mount Everest, is in Asia. The lowest point on land, the Dead Sea, is also in Asia. Asia is the only continent that shares border with two other continents, Africa and Europe. It's sometimes joined with the third continent, North America, in the winter by ice forming in the Bering Sea. Asia is home to two of the three largest economies in the world, China second largest and Japan third largest. Russia and India are also top 10 world economies. The continent of Asia is so large and diverse that it often is divided into sub-regions. These regions are Northern Asia, Central Asia, Middle East, Southern Asia, Eastern Asia, and Southeastern Asia. Asia is rich in diverse races, cultures, and languages. Many of the world's major religions came out of Asia, including Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, and Buddhism. Dear friends, this is all for today. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.